All right, let's talk about getting your northern business the growth it deserves online.
So let me ask you this. Does your business get the online attention it really deserves?
Maybe your website feels a bit dated, or your traffic is just slow. It's a common problem.
What you really want is simple, right? More calls, more leads, a better online presence.
Okay, so how do we get there? Well, that's where Due North Marketing comes in. The whole idea is super simple. I help businesses get seen. That's it.
And it all starts with a website that looks great and, just as important, loads fast.
But look, a website is just the starting line. There's a lot more to it.
It's about getting in front of the right people using all these different tools. Here's the path to growth. It's a practical 3-step plan to get things moving.
So you might be wondering, is this actually for a business like mine? Let's see.
Yep, we're talking about the backbone of the North. Businesses just like yours.
Okay, this next part is really important. It all comes down to who you work with. Think about it. You could be just a number, or you can work with someone who gets it.
And that's the advantage, right? Knowing the area, knowing small business, and getting results.
So the bottom line is this. If you deserve more attention, it's something we can fix. And that's really what it's all about. Due North Marketing is truly built for the North. So it really just comes down to one simple question. Are you ready to get to work?